Faced with increased demand, complexity, and digital transformation requirements, more organizations are upgrading their networks to cloud-driven so they can move fast, with more flexibility, agility, security, and access to the latest technologies. Accelerate your path to the autonomous enterprise with Extreme Cloud IQ, a cloud-driven end-to-end network assurance, intelligence, and management solution for edge to data center networks. Built on a third-generation platform fueled by machine learning and artificial intelligence, Extreme Cloud IQ automates deployments and updates for hundreds to thousands of sites, monitors, optimizes, and secures your users, devices, and applications, assesses network health with objective KPIs and 360-degree contextualized reporting, quickly diagnoses and remedies connection issues, and processes and interprets billions of data points to deliver meaningful and actionable insights to your business and IT operations. Whether you're a school looking to increase student engagement and improve online testing, or a hospital focused on enhanced patient care, Extreme Cloud IQ provides the complete visibility, control, and intelligence you need to meet your business objectives. Deploy Extreme Cloud IQ on your terms with secure public, private, and local cloud options, and start operating at cloud speed today with all of the right elements of innovation, intelligence, and insight. Learn more at extremenetworks.com/extremecloudiq.